All right, guys. So we've got a mostly working form here with very basic functionality. What we're going to be doing is adding in a way for the user to select a size. So under the address here, let me remove these lines here so I can get both of those line breaks above where I'm going to create the size. I'm going to create an h4 element as a title so we can know what this refers to. It's going to be size. So we open it, type stuff, close it, and now we're going to create a select attribute or element. And what this is, it's multiple choice in a dropdown that people can select one of. So it's kind of like a radio element, except it displays in a dropdown. You can also select multiple in a select box, and that's not really pertinent to what we're doing here. So just learning the select box, that's what it does. So we're going to give it a name, and the name is going to be size. And that's all we need to do. So let's go ahead and close this select element. I'm going to save it and refresh here. And you'll see that it drops down, but there's nothing in it yet because we haven't put anything in it. So that's what we're going to be learning now. Within a select element, which lets you select items from a drop-down, we need to have options. And so the next element we're going to learn is very appropriately named option. And each option is going to have a property of value, and this is going to be what the option is. So we're going to start off with 12-inch. And let's put the cost there too. Let's say that's $13.99. I'm not sure if that's expensive or not, but it's good pizza. So the next one is going to be 16 inches. And just so you guys can see better the format of it, you open it and put all the, you never put an attribute in the closing tag. I guess that's important to note. You only ever put attributes within the opening tag itself. So we're going to say 16 inch, and we're going to say that is going to be $16.99. On the next line, and we don't need to add line breaks or anything. It's all automatic here within the select list. We're going to create another one with a value of 18. And we're going to type out what's going to appear as the option. And this is going to be $19.99. And then just in case anybody's really hungry, we need to add a very large option. And this is going to be 72 inches. And the price for that's going to be $149.99. All right, so with our select box created and 4 options within it, I'm going to save this and refresh, and there we go. So we've got our select box there. It's going to let people choose a size. So right now, this is basically feature complete as what it's intended to do on the front end. We give the user the option of delivery or pickup. If they choose delivery, they need to add in their address, maybe their phone number as well. We let them choose a size of a pizza, and then also ingredients. These are all the important things about ordering a pizza. These are the things you need to be able to do. So what we're going to do now, we're ready for it. We just need to let them send it to us. So we're going to create a button with a type submit, and it's going to say place order. And we're going to close that button. I'm going to save it here and then refresh. I need to add a line break above that. Doesn't look quite right. I'm going to add 2 of them actually. There we go. So now what we're able to do is we're able to select a few different ones and then hit place order. And as you can see, I've made this a get method. Up in the form here, the method is equal to get, and so what it does is it carries across all of these values as in the URL. So this is how they're going to be accessed within PHP. If you wanted to automate this a bit, this is why you would use get. If you want to send someone directly to a page and send parameters to that page as well, you're going to use this. So if I sent you a link like this, it would automatically order you a pizza at my address. So that's how the get method works. And post, just so you guys can see, go back here, going to refresh, going to place our order again. And I'm going to hit place order, and it sends it to the place order script without the URL. So it's all done behind the scenes. And that's why you would use the post method for sensitive data like passwords or address, stuff like that. So that is our form. And basically, that's complete, except for one final touch, and we're going to add that in the next video.